I love butterscotch, and this butterscotch pie is so easy to make. It tastes so good. I can't believe I waited so long to give it a try.
Oh, yeah.
Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. You're going to need to pre-bake the pie crust. I poked holes in the pie crust using a fork to prevent bubbling while it's baking. Now I'm going to add some butter to prevent shrinking while it's baking. Then we'll bake it in the oven with 375 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now for the filling, add 1 cup of brown sugar, a quarter of a cup of cornstarch, and 2 cups of milk to a 2-quart frying pan. Stir on medium heat. Notice I'm switching back and forth between a wooden spoon and a whisk in order to keep it properly stirred and break up the lumps. Now that this is mixed pretty well, add 3 egg yolks and mix that in. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter and mix that in. And finally, some vanilla extract. Continue mixing a little bit more until you get the desired consistency. Now pour your sauce into the pre-baked pie crust. Smooth it with a spatula and then refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours to get it to set. Now cut yourself a slice and enjoy.